There is a line between you and the sun. Not a metaphor, an actual distance, measurable in kilometers, where a human being stops surviving. Today, she's going to find it. She's done the outer planets. She's fallen into Jupiter. She knows how this ends. But the sun is different. The sun doesn't crush you. It doesn't drown you. It doesn't need to touch you at all. It kills you with light. And the strangest part? The exact place she dies is not where you think. She starts where you are right now, 150 million kilometers out, Earth's orbit. Here, the sun is a friend. 8 minutes and 20 seconds away at the speed of light, warm on her visor, survivable. Then she cuts her engines and falls. Understand what falling toward the sun means. There is no air, no drag, no terminal velocity. Every second she moves faster than the second before, and she will never stop accelerating, not once for the entire journey. The sun holds 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. Everything else, Jupiter, Saturn, Earth, her, is rounding error. And every meter of this fall, its grip gets stronger. "108 million kilometers, the orbit of Venus. Sunlight here is twice as intense as anything a human has ever stood in. Her gold visor, real gold, thinner than a human hair, is deflecting light that would permanently blind her in seconds. Inside the suit, the cooling system is working harder than it was ever designed to. Here's what most people don't know. A spacesuit doesn't fight the cold of space. It fights heat. Her body is a furnace in a sealed thermos. The suit's job is to dump that heat out by sublimating water ice into vacuum. The system is rated for Earth orbit. She is a long way from Earth orbit, and the light just keeps doubling. "58 million kilometers. The orbit of Mercury. The sun in her visor is now 3 times wider than the sun you know. Sunlight, 10 times Earth intensity at Mercury's closest approach. Her suit is rated to 121 degrees Celsius. The sunlit side blows past that number. The cooling system doesn't fail gradually. It saturates. Heat stops leaving the suit. Her core temperature starts climbing, 38 degrees, 40, 42. A human being dies of heat stroke inside a machine built to keep her alive. So here's the honest answer to the title. Mercury's orbit. That's the line. In the best suit humans have ever built, you die at the distance of Mercury, with 58 million kilometers still to go. Everything past this point is what happens to what's left of her, and it's worth seeing because it gets unbelievable. "13 million kilometers. The equilibrium temperature out here passes 660 degrees Celsius. That number matters. It's the melting point of aluminium, the metal most spacecraft are made of. This is the line where the machines that carried humans to the moon would run like candle wax. Titanium lasts a little longer, steel a little longer still. It doesn't matter. Past this line, the periodic table starts surrendering, element by element. Her suit's aluminium fittings soften, deform, let go. There is no fire. There's no oxygen to burn. Things don't burn here. They just stop being solid. "6.1 million kilometers from the surface. She crosses the deepest line humanity has ever drawn. On Christmas Eve 2024, NASA's Parker Solar Probe passed exactly here, 6.1 million kilometers out, moving at 692,000 kilometers per hour. The fastest object human beings have ever built. At that speed, you'd fly from New York to Tokyo in under a minute. Its heat shield, 11.5 centimeters of carbon foam, faced over 900 degrees. Behind that shield, room temperature, 29 degrees Celsius, 11 centimeters between room temperature and oblivion. And here's the part that should give you chills. It's still there, still flying. It has now survived this crossing 26 times. Parker is the only human thing that has ever been where she is right now. Past this line, no data, no photographs. Nothing has ever gone deeper and spoken again. And now, the part nobody believes. She is inside the sun's atmosphere, the corona. Temperature, over 1 million degrees Celsius. Hotter than the surface of the sun itself, by a factor of 200. Physics still can't fully explain why. It should erase her instantly. It doesn't, because the corona is nearly empty, a million-degree ghost, thinner than the best vacuum in any lab on Earth. Millions of degrees and almost nothing to carry it. Touching it is like waving your hand over a distant candle. It's not the million-degree atmosphere that destroys her. It's the light, the raw, focused radiation of a star at point-blank range. Thousands of times stronger than sunlight on Earth. The sun's most brutal weapon isn't its temperature. It's that it will not stop shining. People imagine the point of no return as a place, a line on a map. It isn't. It's a speed. She has been accelerating for 140 million kilometers. She is now falling at hundreds of kilometers per second. To escape the sun from its surface, you need to reach 617 kilometers per second. The most powerful rocket ever built changes its velocity by a fraction of that. Run the math and it's already over. No engine, no fuel tank, no technology on Earth's shelf can buy back the speed the sun has given her. The sun has no event horizon. Light escapes it every second. She can't. Her point of no return wasn't drawn by gravity, it was drawn by engineering. And she crossed it millions of kilometers ago. The surface, the photosphere, 5,500 degrees Celsius. A rolling ocean of plasma, boiling in cells the size of Texas, each one rising and collapsing in minutes. She arrives at over 600 kilometers per second. Contact lasts less than a second. No impact, no crater. The sun doesn't even register her. Every molecule she was made of comes apart into bare, glowing atoms. Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, iron, the same elements the sun already holds 2 million trillion kilograms of. Her atoms join the boil. They rise with the plasma. They shine. And here is the only mercy in this entire story. The light leaving the surface at the moment she becomes part of it travels outward, through the corona, past the Parker line, past Mercury, past Venus. And 8 minutes and 20 seconds later, it reaches Earth. It lands on your skin as warmth. Jupiter keeps what it takes. The sun gives it back. This is Alien Depth Films.